In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Freshsales. Whether you're a business owner, sales manager, or looking to streamline your customer relationship management, getting started with Freshsales is a great step to enhance your sales process. Let's dive into it. We'll guide you through every detail to ensure a smooth and successful setup. Begin by opening your preferred internet browser. You can use anything from Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. It works on all popular platforms. In the browser's search bar, type Freshsales. Now, depending on your search engine, you should see an option that takes you directly to Freshsales. Alternatively, if you want to skip the search step, simply navigate to freshworks.com/crm/sales. Both ways will land you on the page where you can begin your Freshsales journey. Once you've landed on the right page, the next step is to look for either the Try It for Free or the Sign Up for Free button. These buttons are usually prominently displayed, so they should be easy to spot. Go ahead and click on one of these, and it will guide you to the sign-up form. Free trials are a fantastic way to explore the tool's features and benefits without any financial commitment up front. After clicking through, you will be directed to a form that you'll need to fill out. Take some time here to enter your full name. Ensure there are no typos, as this information will be used for your account identification. Then, enter your work email address. It's important to use an active email as it may be used for verification purposes and receiving important notifications. Following this, put in your company name. Include your organization's official name. This can be crucial for new users to recognize and track their accounts efficiently. You'll also need to provide a phone number. Having accurate contact information is crucial, especially if you need customer support or service-related updates in the future. Once you've filled out the necessary information, proceed by clicking the Continue with Email button. Typically, the next step is setting up a password. Choose a strong, secure password that you'll remember, and avoid using passwords that are too simple or ones you've used elsewhere. Now that you've successfully completed the sign-up process, congratulations, you're all set to start exploring Freshsales. Dive into the features available to manage and develop your customer relationships. As you become more familiar with the platform, you'll find it to be an invaluable tool for managing your sales efforts. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to explore Freshsales further to maximize your experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.